Today, we've got some groundbreaking news about Samsung's latest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. These aren't just your regular foldables, they're the first in the world to feature something truly revolutionary, Gemini Nano. So let's dive into what makes these phones stand out from the crowd. Let's start with the basics. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are not just the latest in Samsung's foldable lineup, they're the first foldable phones globally to come equipped with Gemini Nano right out of the box. Now, what's Gemini Nano, you ask? It's the smallest version of Google's Gemini large language model, LLM, which powers advanced AI features on these devices. For those familiar with Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold series, you know that Samsung has already been incorporating AI features, but these have been powered by Samsung's own AI models known as Samsung Gauss. With the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, Samsung is taking things to the next level by integrating Google's Gemini Nano LLM into these devices, making them the most advanced foldable phones on the market. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with One UI 6.1 pre-installed. This is the latest version of Samsung's custom interface, and it's packed with features designed to take full advantage of the foldable form factor. But what makes this version truly special is its integration with Google's Gemini Nano. According to reports from Android Authority, all Galaxy AI features on these devices run offline, even when the Gemini Nano model hasn't been downloaded. How does that work? Well, it's all thanks to the iCore service, which comes pre-installed on both phones. iCore is Android's system service responsible for handling the download and updating of the Gemini Nano model. Now let's talk a bit more about iCore and what it means for these devices. When Gemini Nano isn't downloaded, the iCore app takes up around 50 megabytes of space. However, once you download Gemini Nano, the app size jumps to around 1 gigabyte. This might seem like a lot, but considering the advanced AI capabilities it brings, it's a small price to pay. One of the standout features that comes with Gemini Nano is the Magic Compose feature of Google Messages app. This feature suggests replies based on your chat thread's conversation, using the last 20 messages to understand the context and suggest replies accordingly. What's great about Magic Compose is that it operates entirely on device, meaning your conversations stay private and secure. At the moment, Google officially lists only the Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S24 as devices that support Gemini Nano. However, it's clear that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 also have this feature. We're expecting Google to update its list of compatible devices soon to reflect these new foldables from Samsung. But here's something interesting. While Gemini Nano is using the Magic Compose feature of Google Messages, it's not yet available for the Smart Reply feature in Google Keyboard on the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. This could be something we'll see in future updates, but it's curious that Samsung's latest foldables don't support it right out of the box. A device that's not just ahead of its time, but one that's setting the standard for future foldables. From enhanced privacy with on-device AI processing to the potential for even more features down the line, these foldables offer something truly unique. And remember, these devices are also packing all the other features that make Samsung's foldables great, like their innovative designs, stunning displays, and powerful performance. But now, with the addition of Gemini Nano, they're more than just cutting edge. They're the future of mobile technology. So what do you think? Are the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 the future of foldable phones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.